Hello, I'm Austin Heisig with Mate Precision Technologies, back with another Mate work holding tutorial. On the table in front of me is one of our Mate DynoLock bases. In addition to our Mate DynoLock bases, our 5296 modular quick change work holding system includes our Mate DynoGrip vices, dyno mounts, and numerous work holding accessories to allow you to configure a work holding setup for your specific application to keep you in the cut for longer. Today, I will be demonstrating how to complete the maintenance on a Mate DynoLock base. You may need to complete the maintenance on a Mate DynoLock base if your DynoLock base has been exposed to a lot of machining or grinding swarf, or if you feel the actuation is no longer smooth. The first step to completing maintenance is to remove the retaining ring on the front of your DynoLock base. I'll complete this using a small screwdriver to slowly work the retaining ring out. I'll set the retaining ring aside for future use. I will now remove the socket adapter. I will set the socket adapter aside for reinstallation. I will now turn my base over and I will remove the screws retaining the cover to the base. I will accomplish this using the Mate torque wrench kit. I will now remove the base cover plate and set aside for later use. I will now remove the base locking mechanism. I'll slide it out and up. I will set it aside. I will now wipe any chips or other machining swarf from the inside of the base. With the base now cleaned, I will apply a thin layer of mobile XHP 322 grease to all of the sliding surfaces. A graphic will appear on the screen now to show you where to apply the grease. With the internal sliding surfaces now greased, I will next move on to the locking mechanism. I will wipe it clean from any chips or other machining swarf. With the base locking mechanism now wiped clean, I will actuate the lead screw to open it and expose the threads. I'll then apply a thin layer of the same mobile XHP 322 grease to the lead screw threads. With the lead screw now greased, I will re-actuate the lead screw to spread the grease across the full lead screw and lubricate the push bars as well. With the lead screw now fully greased, I will set the locking mechanism back inside the base, the long end going towards the front of the base. With the locking mechanism now reinstalled into the base, I will turn the base onto its side to reinstall the socket adapter. The large end of the socket adapter will go in first. I will slowly turn the socket adapter so that it mates up with the lead screw and falls into place. With the socket adapter now in place, I will reinstall a retaining ring. With the retaining ring now installed, I will reinstall the top cover. Prior to reinstalling the top cover, I will apply a light layer of grease. I'll line up the two cap screw holes with the two threaded holes on the base. I will now reinstall the cap screws. With the cap screws now hand tight, I will now torque them to 6.5 Newton meters or 60 inch-pounds using the Mate torque wrench kit. I have now completed the maintenance for a Mate DynoLock base. All of these instructions are available in the operator's manual, and all of the components are available in the Mate catalog. To learn more, please visit us at mate.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.